Hey everyone, welcome back to another new series from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, your best place to buy bullion bars and coins, shipping to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. We've got a new series. What are we calling this one?
That was impressive, mate.
Thank you.
I have to say, with our Joe here. So this is our 7 days of lockdown series. So Ruben and I are getting bored in the office.
We're all cooped up, with gold and silver on our hands. What are we to do?
So we thought we'd do a bit of a series where we'll just look at a few different things. And we might even do some specials, which is what we thought we'd kick off with in the first instance. So, what are these? I can't remember what they're called.
I better get a bit of a close-up, because these ones are a little bit small.
They are. So these are, Gods of Olympus.
Gods of Olympus.
So these are, wait for it, these are 0.5 gram of pure 14
I'm
karat
not sure if I'm
gold.
going to get in there. There we go. There's a Zeus one right there.
I think I've got something different in my hand.
I think you've got an Athena there.
I'm getting light on.
Yeah, there you go, Athena.
Athena.
There you go. So there's a few different ones in there. I think we found, is it 3 or 4 scattered throughout? There was a few.
Aphrodite's in there.
Yeah.
A few others. So anyway, look, they're 0.5 gram, believe it or not, of 14 karat gold. They are a Samoan coin, so they are legal tender in Samoa, $1 each. So we're not selling them for $1 each though. So we thought we'd sell them for spot plus GST. So they do incur GST, so that works out to be $26 per coin. So we think that's a bit of a bargain. So we'll put them up on the web. They'll be up there right now. We do have a limited number. We're cleaning out the back of the safe and these fell out. So log on while you can, grab them. They will go fairly quickly. As per usual, and look out for the continuation of our 7 days in lockdown series.
See what else we can find that's hiding out the back. Now, we're not sure how many, if any, there are in as far as, complete sets and things like that, so it will have to be a little bit of a, feel free to put requests on, hey, I'd really like this one or that one, but yeah, please keep in mind that it is, it's not going to be a guarantee, anything like that. We'll do our best, but we're not sure, for all we know, we just happen to pull out the 3 different ones and the rest of them are all one, so.
Ruben will do his best. At my eyesight's not good enough to read them. They are pretty small. But yeah, so they are available. They're available right now. Grab them while you can.
Fantastic. So yeah, see those up and look out for us while we get bored with some of the other things we can find out the back. That's it from me.
And from me too.
See ya.